represents St. Regis at Al Maria Island, water location. Great chance of investment. Contact us soon as possible.
St. Regis is a new standard of ultra-luxury waterfront living. It's a symbol of prestige and architectural distinction. It offers Onvia, a world of privilege for residence owner. Onvia is a fully integrated platform created exclusively for residence owner, offering you discounts on Marriott's and digital residence IT on your spa, luxurious stay, prior access to Ritz-Carlton yacht collection, offers you tailored privileges across for dinner and well-being. World-class amenities, Horizon Infinity Pool, indoor-outdoor pool, prestigious cinema, media lounge, exclusive golf lounge, signature residence club, treatment rooms, hair salons, squash, yoga and Pilates studios, spa and fitness club, co-working space, boardrooms, cafes, and community center. Branded residents are some of my favorite investment opportunities in Abu Dhabi. Let's analyze it. This project is next to W Residence, having a direct access to Galleria Mall. Direct comparison is 4 season, where 1 bedroom is 4.1 million, 2 bedroom 8 million, 3 bedroom 11 million. Considering the property is 5 years old, whereas St. Regis 1 bedroom 4.6 million, 2 bedroom 8 million, 3 bedroom 12 million, 4 bedroom 22 million, 2 bedroom duplex 10 million. St. Regis is having 8% ROI with 100% occupancy. So why 4 season or St. Regis? Why not SAS properties in Dream at the half price and the ROI is yet 8%? So it's all about appreciation. While the other properties generally ROI are higher, but the appreciation of a branded residence is typically 15 to 20% higher than a non-branded residence, making it lucrative investment. Let's dig into the potential of appreciation and ROI of St. Regis in further. 215% increase in AUM, a signal of high net worth individual. These individuals seek premium residence close to workplace, increased demand of branded residence. More companies within ADGM means a strong tenant pool, especially around the area. ADGM is compared to DIFC in Dubai, both global financial centers. DIFC has been a huge success in Dubai real estate and continues to bring branded residents in the area. Maria Island is a small area, very limited with available plots. You are likely to have very little competition supply in this area. Location is a selling point, very convenient, connecting to Abu Dhabi, Galleria Mall, ADGM, and Reem Island. Close proximity to Sadia, downtown Fahid. Abu Dhabi 30-30 vision plan would be boosting this property. By the time St. Regis will be handed over in 3 years' time, ADGM will be expanded. The ROI is easily to 9%, and the short-term rental we can discuss further. Contact us soon to get your offer.